There you go. Little walk through. Is that your little house behind you, Hillary?
Yeah, it's like Spinal Tap, isn't it?
Let's have a little walk round. And that must be the throne. That's the throne, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Mortsey throne.
You're full of shit.
Eh?
You're so full of shit, aren't you? Honestly, I've never heard such a load of trouble.
Stop muttering. Look at that. I'm just watching where I'm going because this is a little bit messy in here. I'm trying to brighten it up so we can see what's in. Yeah, it looks a bit dingy. Don't know if I fancy walking in all that hacky mud. That'd be nice on the carpet at home. I just had me drone up there. Look at that lovely blue sky. Yeah, I just went right up between them trees, which is a little bit dodgy for a beginner on a drone. I nearly flew it into trees. Crashed every drone I've had so far, so I don't suppose makes any difference crashing another one like. A little walk back through, see where problem child is. Problem child.
Problem child here. It's not me.
Eh?
So there's only one problem child and it's not me. It's you. Anyway.
It's me.
Yeah, right.
That looks a bit phallic.
Somebody's carved their name on it, haven't they? What does it say?
There's always somebody, isn't there? Mad, isn't it?
L something. That's why we can't have nice things. Yeah, can you have the little lightings on and that?
It's a canny little place, isn't it? Really well designed.